What's up, guys? Welcome back to the studio. I'm so excited for today because we've got a brand new routine to Usher. Yeah, one of my favorite artists of all time, an amazing dancer, great music, of course. And this was a collab that I did with my friend Enola. I know you guys know her here at DNCR. We did this one, had so much fun with it. And so today I'm gonna be teaching it to you. Make sure once you get it down, post up your videos in the Facebook group, on IG, tag me, tag Enola. We can't wait to see him. And of course, we're gonna be reposting a bunch of you guys. So let's get right to it. Now, this one is really strong. It's kind of like a performance piece. So whether you're filming it or you're performing it or you're on the Super Bowl halftime show, you want to make sure that energy is crazy. So right away, we're going to start with a little like, you're just kind of freestyling, you're vibing, you can be doing whatever. The audio, you're going to hear Lil Jon and he's saying like, I've been out and everyone shot. So you think he's going to say, turn down for what? But then it goes into Usher, yeah. So you got turn down for, you're going to jump out, you're going to go bum, bum, really strong. So already, it's so important that our energy is crazy from the beginning. Because if you're like, bump, it's not gonna work, right? You gotta be like, oh, what's he gonna do? Bump, bump, over the top, right? Make it like ridiculous. Like if you're in your living room, you bump, bump, the whole floor should shake. Okay, don't make your parents mad at me though. Then you're gonna come into the middle here, you're gonna press down, and you're gonna come up here again. So, beginning 7, 8, you jump out. X, you're pushing out, then you're going middle, then you're gonna push that right heel down, and it's gonna rotate you, little microwave challenge moment. Then you're gonna go da 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 da. So I'm just doing a body roll, and my right hand is kind of going like this and tracing it. There's a triangle, like a ding 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 ding, that sound. So you're going di 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 di. Then you're gonna hit this bass, boom. It's gonna go bump 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 again. You're gonna hold the first one, bump bump, and then you're gonna go right left. And you're just pushing down. Good. So from the top, 7, 8, you got bum, 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 bum. Dee, 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 dee. Boom, bum, 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 bum. Nice. Now from here, there's going to be this echo. I forget exactly what the words are. I think he says like P2, A-town down, bum, bum, right? That's how it goes. So whatever that P2 up, thing that he says, it echoes 4 times. I'm so bad at lyrics. So you're going head, shoulders, feet. So that's a heel toe, and then you're gonna go whole body. So we're isolating here. Head, just your shoulders, just your feet, and then whole body, and then you're gonna go boom, like someone grabbed you and pulled you forward. You slide that left foot in. Good. So this is gonna go on the echo. It's gonna be like da-da, 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 da-da. Yeah, performance, energy, more passion, more energy. After that, slide, you're gonna go onto your left foot, you're gonna go bump, 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 bump. He says A-town down. This one I do actually know, that's short for Atlanta. He's making an A, that's where he's from, Atlanta. So A down, so you can remember it like the lyric. Shoot, you're going left foot, right foot, left foot, and you're just kind of making that swaggy sort of walk situation, and then you're gonna scoop your right foot, scoop, you're gonna go out, around, push, punch. So, gung, 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 scoop that right foot, then you're going right side, around, and then I do this little push-pull. So right arm to my shoulder, left hand goes to my knee, shoot, to punch. Then I'm gonna unwind this. There's another one of those, the triangle thing again. I don't know what that noise is, but and you're gonna go, really clean and pull that back. Good, I'm gonna give you like 2 more steps, then we're gonna stop. You're just gonna go jump, throw, jump, throw. Nice. So really strong there. It's a throw first. Throw, hop, throw, hop. Good, okay. Keeping it moving. Here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, and boom, 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 boom. Shh. Dee 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 dee. Boom, dun 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 dun. Shoom. Hey, and then you're gonna catch this. A, 2, 3, scoop, out, and a hit, and dee dee dee, ka. Throw, and good. I'm gonna give you one more step here. You're gonna go forward on your left. You're gonna turn on that front foot, turn, step, step. And you're A-town down, again with your hands, yeah? Now you have a couple options here. Enola, she loves to do floor work. She loves to go to the floor. Me, not so much. I'm not really a floor guy. So if you want to be a floor person, here's your option of what to do. From here, you're going to turn and you're going to go right, left. Or you can just don't hurt your knees, okay? Some people drop to their knees. I don't recommend that. And if you have knee problems or back problems, just do the standing version, which is doom, doom, yeah? But if you want to do the floor version, it's here, turning, right, left. Down. Then you have a body roll, and then you're gonna go and hit that beat, and then you have 2 counts to kind of hype the crowd and get up. Actually, it's 4 counts. If you're doing the standing version, it's exactly the same thing. Boom, boom. You have a body roll, you have a moment, fill that moment however you want. Boom. 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna hit the last section, which is the chorus. Good? We're almost there already. You're doing great. Let's go one time from the top. And then we're gonna finish up. 5, 6, 7, you go. Bum, 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 bum. Shh. Triangle thingy, boom. Dun, dun. Head, shoulders, toes, body. A-town. Dun, dun. Scoop. 5 and a 6 and 7 and ka. Throw and prep. Turn and down. 6, 7, 8, this is on 1. And 7, here we go, boom, into the chorus. Nice. So notice how you have time in this piece, right? That's the difference between if we're doing like, you know, a TikTok choreography, it's probably gonna be like move after move after move. When you talk about big performances or music videos, there's actually a lot of pauses. There's a lot of doom, 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 right? This part, it's like, ooh, what's gonna happen? And that makes that much better. So don't feel like you need to like do something on that, right? Let it just be chill. And when you get to that end, boom, body roll. Just let that like, ooh, what's gonna happen next? Boom, gotcha, right? And then you go into it. And that way you're kind of telling a story instead of just doing one step after another. Good. Last part, feet, easy. You're gonna go left foot in front. First, cross, switch it, cross, and knee, knee, ha. One more time, left foot in front first. 7, 8. Bot and a 3 and ha. Good. Arms, gonna go circle, throw, and points, and knee, and up, down. Okay. Arms and legs together. First couple times, gonna take a second, so let's do it slowly. 7, you have this like 80, and that sets you up to go, yeah, yeah, knee, and up, down. So the one thing you have to remember is knee, arms don't change yet. Then as your foot goes down, arms go up. Then just the arms. Here we go. 6, 7, 80, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and one more time. 6, notice the energy, start to pick it up. 6, 7, told you, I said, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, right? Yeah. Now it's gonna start getting hyped. Try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a hot, hot. Good. From here, you're gonna step on your left. You're gonna go A, and down, down. So your arm is going back with the foot, and then 2 body rolls. He's gonna say, yeah, yeah. So I'm just throwing my right leg and right arm. Whoop, whoop. Then I step this back. I'm gonna do this little circle again. Circle, throw, and I pick that left knee up. Left knee up. He says, I get so caught up, caught up. He's gonna say, all up on me, screamin'. Okay, we'll get it slow. So, yeah, 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 I get so caught up. All up, then you go down again. On me, you step, screaming. So you're yelling there. You're just gonna hit bass, bass, and I'm just knocking back. Boom, boom, and I'm gonna pull that through. So bass, bass, pull, and that's kind of like an extra credit moment. And then freestyle, maybe give them a little Usher, little glide, little ooh, 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 little whoop, 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 whatever you want for your Usher freestyle. And that's it, you guys are done. Great job making it through to the end. You're killing it, and let's go over the chorus part a couple times. I think we got the beginning pretty good, but what you wanna make sure of on this chorus is that your energy, it's already been high the whole performance, but when you go, boom, and you throw into that first one, it's gotta be like the most full out you've ever been, right? So here we go, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and hey, and 5, 6, body roll, 7, throw it up and over, yeah, 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 I get so caught up, punch and cross and screaming, boom, boom, hey, and then freestyle. Okay, so that's that ending. Make sure when you get there, like I said, energy, performance, and if you're ready, let's go slow from the top. Boom, boom, here we go. 5, 6, 7, still strong here. Doom, 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 even though it's slow, we're still clean. Brrr, boom, 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 doom, 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 scoom, boom, dun, 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 scoop. 5 and a 6 and 7, 1 and a 2, prep for the turn and zoom, boom. 6, 7, 8, hit the 1, 6, 7, here we go, and yeah, 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 and all up on me, 8, and yeah, yeah, and up, I get so caught up, all up on screaming, doom, doom, hey, okay, hopefully it's starting to feel a little better, starting to find it. I'm sure you guys know the song, so you probably recognize kind of where the beat changes. I also took the song because it was really long, the mix, and I shortened it a little bit and kind of took my favorite section. So custom mix, DNCR custom mix. Here we go. We're gonna go a little faster from the top, and then I'll send you guys to the studio. We got 5, 6, 7, really strong. You go, bum, 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 8, 5, 6, 7, boom, bum, 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 hey, 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 2, 3, 5 and 6 and 7 and a 1, 2, 3 and a turn and a doom and a 7, 8, boom and a 7. Here we go. Go 1, 2, 3, hey, and 5 and 7. Throw it. Hey, 2 and 3. I get so caught up, all up, D screaming, boom, boom. Hey, all right, let's go. You guys got it. Let's go over to the studio, try it with the music. All right, so now that you got it down, practice up, you know what to do. Film this one, post it up in the Facebook group or on IG or TikTok. When you guys film this, I would really suggest trying to do something a little different. Maybe you shoot it in a different location. Maybe you dress up a little bit more because it's Usher in a Super Bowl, kind of match his colors possibly. He had like a blue and a white sort of vibe, if you have anything that works with that. You could even try something creative like go to a parking lot at night and shoot it with the headlights lighting you up. You know, don't be afraid to try some things. Bright colors are always good. If you have a spot, you can go daytime. Maybe try the camera lower. Maybe try having someone holding the camera and going forward and back. Just don't be afraid to take some chances and try some new creative things. So once you get it down, of course, can't wait to see your videos. Tag me, tag Enola, and I'll see you guys back in the studio for the next one real soon.